Oh, hey guys, I'm Neha and welcome back to my channel. Well, you must be thinking, what is she eating? So this video is about the recipe that I was just eating. It is basically chocolate roll mithai, and my mother-in-law has inspired me for this recipe. And again, without much blabbering, let's get started to the recipe. So guys, to prepare the chocolate mithai roll, we need following ingredients. We need milk, we need butter, cookies and cream biscuit, and trust me, you can always use those Oreo biscuits as well. And we need few amounts of cashews and pistachios. Well, let's get started with the recipe. So guys, I have taken the cookies and cream biscuits in a bowl. The first step is to remove the inside cream into a separate bowl and the two biscuits in the separate bowl. So yeah. Now I have completely separated the biscuits and the cream. Well, let's keep them aside for a minute, and guys, the next step will be completely crushing this cashew and pistachios. While crushing the cashew and pistachio, always remember that take a small amount of it because it might fall out of the bowl area. One more thing, if you don't have anything for crushing the cashew and pistachio, you can either grind them or always make them finely chopped. So guys, now you can see the mixture is completely finely ground. The next step will be taking the cream and let's start mashing it properly. Now we will take this finely crushed mixture of cashew and pistachio and simply put them into this cream of biscuits. And again, let's mix it properly. So guys, this is how the mixture looks like, and let's keep this also aside and moving on to the next step. We are taking our cookies and now it's time to grind them. Guys, you can see the mixture is completely grinded. Now what we have to do is to make a dough of it. So what I'm gonna do is take some amount of milk and pour it into the mixture. Yeah. Apart from adding the milk, now it's time to add butter. And this much butter is quite sufficient for the entire mixture. Yeah, let's mix it. Guys, I'm going to mix it with hand because it makes easier to prepare the dough. Guys, also you have to make a tight dough, so mix it properly. Guys, a nice dough is completely prepared, as you can see here. Next step is to take a piece of aluminum foil what I'm going to do is take the dough and make a small roll out of it. guys, this you can see this is how it looks like. Next step is very simple. I'm just gonna take the mixture that we have created in the start and put it on the roll that has been made here. After you have spread the mixture of cream and nuts on the roll over here, let's start folding it. So we have wrapped it properly, and now I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I'll show you then. In the meantime, when we have put the wrap into the refrigerator, let's work around decorating the chocolate roll mithai. So for that, it is very simple. We are just going to take the sesame seeds and gonna roast a little bit. Roast a little bit of it. So guys, this is done, and now I am going to put this in an airtight container till the wrap is completely done. Guys, now I have taken out the wrap from the refrigerator, and now it's time to finally cut it into small pieces. Looks good, right? So guys, in a small plate, let's spread the roasted sesame seeds. Like this. Now, I'm going to take this and divide them into small pieces. Start decorating the pieces. See how it looks? And what I am going to do is take this and put that into the sesame seeds, and after that it will look like this, and let's start decorating the plate. So guys, this is how it looks like after it is divided into small parts and completely decorated with the sesame seeds. And now you can enjoy it. Guys, I hope that you like the video and you must try this recipe out. It's very simple, and let me know what you think of this recipe, and if you want me to prepare any other recipe for you guys, please put down in the comment box. And also all your feedback and suggestions are more than welcome, and don't forget to like, share